Dr. Raja Amjad Riaz, Chairman Central Mosque of Brent, welcomed newly appointed Georgia Gould, MP Cabinet Minister, to the Central Mosque of Brent for a visit of its facilities and iftari. They were joined with Metropolitan Police Inspector Ujung Councillor Parvez Ahmad and representatives from the volunteers group Richard Geldart, Bernie Glynn, and members of the community Raja Basharat, Tikan and Kurban Hussein. Georgia Gould MP visited the mosque, community cafe, health and education center, as well as the proposed site for the new mosque development of the multi-story car park and accommodation. She also visited site for a community education center, library, and rooftop gardens. This was a very successful visit in which community cohesion, integration, and a vision for the future was discussed.
I'm delighted to have our local MP and the Cabinet Minister, Georgia Gould, here at the Central Mosque of Brent. It's a brilliant visit, and we've been through all of the activities that we run here at the mosque, namely a thrice weekly surplus food market for the entire community, a community kitchen, and during Ramadan we've expanded the community cafe to having an iftar for the whole community throughout the whole month of Ramadan. We've had an excellent visit and we've discussed many points, and I'm looking forward to welcoming her back on behalf of the board and the community to one of our functions.
It's wonderful to be here at Brent Central Mosque to celebrate breaking fast together, to wish Ramadan Mubarak to the community, and just to hear how much amazing work is happening, from supporting local health to opening up food for the community, how inclusive this mosque is, how it includes people from all different walks of life, and how ambitious everyone here is to support the wider community, to open a new health centre, to open a new education centre, and to be a real hub at the heart of the community. I see so often how faith communities offer so much care and support for their local communities, and this is just such a wonderful example of it. So it's been such an inspiring and brilliant visit, and I look forward to coming back many times.
It's a truly great pleasure to be here and enjoy the iftar with everyone. I would like to thank the doctor and the local MP for all the collaboration and all the good work that we do here together at the mosque, not just for the local Muslim population and community, but together with all the different communities and all the different faiths. Together we will make Brent a wonderful place.
In ministerial job and local MP's job, but she was accepted our invitation, and definitely Georgia, you will become many more times again in the near future. And I believe she pleased about our work through our volunteers and our trustee board and our chairman. They are doing really hard work, and we are also part of this team.